Right then, this is going to be a short video on using the Phase 1 Habitat Survey project in QField. So I've got the project downloaded here, it's on my phone, so I'm just going to click onto it a bit up. And I'm hoping that you can kind of see where I'm clicking, but I'm going to try and describe it in case you can't. So I've just clicked on the title itself, and this is our main screen. This is where I am. I'm just going to open the window so it gets a slightly better signal. I don't know if that makes a difference. No, I just can't see the phone. That's fine. Okay, so the screen we've got now is the map, obviously. We can zoom around. Now, if I press that little plus with a dot in the middle, the location symbol in the bottom corner, it'll lock the screen onto our position there. And if I move, it should follow me. So if I go on the three dots in the top right corner, these are our layers. We've got our red line boundary, target nodes, points, lines, polygons, and then we've got our base maps. Now you can switch them on and off. If you hold on it, you can go show on map and it'll either show it or hide it. Cool. Let's start editing. So we're going to click the pencil. And now we can choose which layer we want to edit. So I'm going to use my boundaries first. So I'm clicked on that, it's bold. And we've got another symbol now above and below our location sign. We've got a location one that's got a plus in the middle instead. Now what that'll do is it'll lock it onto our position. So if I'm doing a target node, that's really handy because it'll put the point exactly where I'm stood. If I'm doing a red line boundary like this though, it's not particularly useful, so I'm going to switch it off. What that does, can you see on the screen the little plus in a circle? It zooms it into my position. If it's off, I can move that with the screen. If it's on, I can only move it with by moving myself. So if I move the whole screen, it stays where it is. So let's switch that off. And we're going to do our red line boundary first. So I'll start over there. I'm going to press the little plus. And now my little cursor in the middle has a tail. So I'm going to drag that out to about, oopsie daisy. To about there. I'm going to press the plus again, add another point in to the back of the garden, plus another one, plus, that's my red line, and tick to finish. So that's my red line. Now I'm going to put in a target node. So I'm going to put my target node where I'm stood now. So I'm going to press that other symbol again. That gets locked onto where I am. Press the plus. I'm going to call this target note 1. Comments are going to be badger set. I'm going to add a picture as well. There we go, this is a badger. Save. And there's my point. Let's put in a polygon now. So again, you could use the GPS and lock it onto yourself and walk around it, but it's probably going to be a bit easier for a lot of things if you just use the map there to sketch out what you can see. There's my building. Got a big long list here. Buildings, tick. Can do some hard standing now. Oopsie daisy. Not that, not. Let's try that again. So if you've put a point in the wrong place, let's say I put one there, you can press the minus and it'll get rid of it. Something like that. All the way almost to the back. There we go, that's going to be hard standing. If you press the little tick box next to it, it'll remember your selection for next time. So if I've put hard standing in now, I also want some out the front. Oh, when it sort of grabs it and it gets smaller, that means it's locking onto an existing point, so you can kind of get very precise geometry if you want to. But you don't need to, because in the office we're going to tidy it up anyway, so it's just to mark out where things are really. There we go, and because I've ticked it, hard standing is there already. Boom, done. So there we go, we've put in some basic features. Let's put in a scattered tree, not that I've got any in my garden. But I'm going to say it's there, with doorbell. scattered true. Tick. And there we go. That's done. That's ready for transferring back into the office. And I'm going to go and see who's at the door.